Hey guys, it's Jules with DIY with Jules and welcome back to my channel. And as you've already noticed, I have been redecorating my home and my main color is cobalt and navy blue. So if you want to see how I revamped these old lamps and made them beautiful and blingy, stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome back. And as I mentioned earlier in my intro, I will be revamping these lamps that I purchased from the Goodwill a few years back. They're a little outdated and it's time to give them a new purpose. So I'm going to be painting them and painting the shades and blinging them out. For this project, I purchased this gem and mirrored trim. I also used these 1-inch diamond beads along with teardrop gems and beaded string. I used silver paint for the lamp and material paint in navy blue for the lampshade. So I originally started painting with the silver sterling metallic paint by Art and didn't like the way it was coming out, so I decided to take my project outside and spray paint it with my metallic paint. There, that's better. Now onto painting your shades. I used water with this material paint because it's made for a thin fabric and it should go on easy, but because this was a thicker fabric, I needed to wet the fabric in order for it to absorb. You're supposed to air dry it for 24 hours and then iron it to set the paint, but what I did was I used my blow dryer and I dried it with the blow dryer so that it can set that way. And once it was all dry, I started to embellish. Now this idea for a plastic plate holding the crystals was GREENCRYSTALROSE. I'm going to be linking her video down below so that you can see how she made her lamp. I do advise you to use a low wattage light bulb because of course we don't want to cause a fire. This is plastic. She also mentions that in her video and I thought it was an awesome idea and I decided to use it. Thanks, Crystal. And to add a touch of glam to the lamp, you will add these diamond beads all the way around the bottom. And then you're done. So here's the final product. It is absolutely beautiful. I have it in my dining room, but you can use it in your living room, in your bedroom, anywhere you want. It is absolutely gorgeous. Please, if you like it, if you make it, please leave me a message down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Have a wonderful and amazing day. And thanks again for stopping by.